Good morning, student. Today we start exercise 2.7. In this exercise, this is the word problem based on subtraction. Okay. So here, first question is Rama and Govind has two factory owners. Rama and Govind are two factory owners. They have two factories. And Rama's factory produced good worth rupees 36,970. Okay. Rama's factory produced a good of worth rupees 36,970 in a week, and Govind's factory produced goods of worth rupees 28,390 395. So whose factory produced more? So we have to compare these two values and how much. Okay, now means how much more. So in this how much more, how we find, we subtract these two. Okay, so look how you go. So here it is. In a week, Rama's factory produced goods is equal to 36,970. Goods worth rupees 36,970. Okay. In a week, Govind's factory produced goods worth rupees 28,995. Now we have to compare with, when we compare it, obviously this one is greater, 36,970. So also we have to find by how much or how much more. So how you find? By subtracting. When we subtract it, how much we get? 8,575. So Rama's factory produced more by rupees 8,575. So this is the solution. Okay. Now look, question number 2. Question number 2 is, by how much 42,128 more than 38,965. So we have to find this number is how much greater than this number. Okay. So here also we have to subtract these two. Okay. A very simple question. You have to do this word problem by yourself. Balakrishna had a fruit farm with 13,035 trees. 4,975 trees fell in a cyclone. Okay. Balakrishna had a fruit farm. On a fruit farm, he has a fruit farm which has 13,035 trees, out of which 4,975 trees are fell in the cyclone. Okay, cyclone. It is a calamity. Okay, disaster. Okay, natural disaster. How many trees remain in the farm? Farm. We have to find how many trees remain in the farm. Okay, by this much trees are there in the farm, and this much tree are fail due to the cyclone. Okay, so what we have to do here, let's subtract this one from this, we get the answer. So look how we do solution. So here it is, trees remained in the farm. So directly we divide it, subtract it, how much we get? 8,600. So 8,060 trees remain in the farm after the cyclone. Okay, simply you have to subtract. Now question number 4. Question number 4 says that the size monthly income is 19,290. Kabir's monthly income is 5,860, less than the size. Okay, monthly income of Desai is how much? 19,290. Okay, and Kabir income is 5,860, less than Desai. Okay, understand this question clearly. Desai's income is 19,290. Okay, and Kabir's income is 5,890, less than that of Desai. Okay, so what is the Kabir's monthly income? So for this I give a simple example. Suppose you get 100 rupees a month for your pocket money, and your younger brother get 30 rupees less than you. Okay, 30 rupees less than you. Then how much your younger brother get? Then you have to subtract 30 from your 100. How much you get? 70. Okay, so here also we have to subtract this 5,860 from 19,290. Okay, then we get the answer. Like this only you have to do, solve all the question. By how much is 18,935 less than 27,678? So by how much this one is less than this? So here is a big one. Always remember in subtraction we subtract the smaller one from big one. Okay, this is smaller, this is the big. So we subtract 18,695 from 27,698. Sixth number, what should be added to 49,533 to get 1,50,000? Okay, here also simple concept. In subtraction we subtract the smaller one from bigger one. Okay, so this is a smaller one, so we subtract this one from this. So what we do here, we subtract 49,533 from 1,50,000. Okay, whatever we get, it is our answer. So that one we have to add to this number. Okay, means 49,533. What should be subtracted from 3,56,435 to get 2,38,595? The simple concept here. This is a bigger one, so we subtract this smaller one from bigger one. Okay. Now eighth number. The sum of two numbers is 98,375. If one of them is 39,586, and the other. Okay. Here also same thing we do. The sum of two numbers are given exactly. The sum of two numbers is greater than that of the two number. Okay. Suppose the sum of 2 and 5 is 7. So 7 is greater than 2 and 5 also. So here the sum of two numbers is 98,375. If one of them is 39,586, find the other. So what we do here, we subtract this 39,586 from 98,375. So here we go. So required number directly we write because there is no any word to write any sentence here. This is direct word problem. So required number, we subtract directly 39,586 from 98,375. Now thus the required number is 58,789. Now ninth number question, the difference of the two numbers is 86,852. If greater number is 3,50,000, find the smaller number. Okay, the subtraction, the difference between two numbers is given to us, and the greater number also given to us. Means one of the number between the if the greater number. Okay, because of how you find difference. Difference is always between greater and smaller number. So greater number we have to given, we have to find the smaller number. Okay. So exactly this is the greater, this is smaller number when we compare these two. So we subtract 86,552 from 3,50,000. Okay. So look here how we go. So required number 3,50,000 and we subtract 86,852. Okay. So we get 2,63,148. So required number is 2,63,148. This is our answer. So that's all for today. In our next class we discuss exercise 2.8. It is if you are able to solve 2.8 by yourself, you can go ahead because it is similar to exercise 2.6 and 2.8. Okay, you solve 2.8 by yourself also. Okay, today means in our next class, this is the last class of 2.8. After this chapter we start chapter number 5. So get ready. Thanks. Bye.